What?
Let's try to last kind of early.
Blue is mine.
Yeah, let me.
I'll jump on blocks and
Should
blocks.
we? Yeah.
Both throw those guys.
Bust. Nice.
Watch your feet.
Kick.
Nova. Disrupting shout.
Kick.
Vision.
Rupture. Shockwave. Misery.
Kick.
Cap totem.
Wait.
I love the H. Thank you for the 3%, my brother.
My brother.
Nova. Shockwave.
My brother.
Oh, I'm getting wound up by one guy.
Are we cooked?
By light, no.
What are you talking about? Why are you literally on? Remember, we're going architect, guys. Left, 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 left.
Careful, get me.
Shotgun, star, square. I mean, skull. Whatever the fuck. Skull. Skulls. Skulls.
Kick.
Yeah, right there.
Get it down. Get it down.
Ritual
The Nether
torture.
Prism.
Kick.
The Nether.
Nova. Rupture.
I get Nether every time, bro. Fuck. Oh, the Nether.
Look at my
Rupture.
hand. Look.
What do you mean I suck, bro? Look at the other DPS. Tell them to do something.
Shockwave. Thunderstorm.
Kick.
Fix. AMZ.
I kill him.
Kick.
Going wide. Respecting. Are we sapping? We are sapping, right? Sap cage. The left one. Left, 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 left.
Okay.
Watch your feet. No griefing.
Yeah, he does have cage, bro. We're on skull. Me and Kumi. I'm okay.
All
Kick.
those traps came
Downstairs, coming.
Okay, I'm a little dry on defensives here.
Sorry. Feet.
Feet. Boom. Ready for kicks. Soon after this shredder. Kicks. Soon.
Kick.
Got it.
Like it's full or the other one?
Skull.
It was making sure.
Basic coming.
Ah!
Bro.
Kick.
We have too much prior, actually. Switch, Kumi, switch.
Oh, now you want me to switch.
Voila.
Dude, these flamethrowers are fucking horrible.
Yeah.
I'll cap them out. Capping.
Cap totem.
I'll knock them up next. I'll just take them with the shredder.
We can just go in the boss. You know?
Thunderstorm.
Huge value save right there, see?
First shot on me, fade. Choose mechanics, choose life.
No, I will die with honor.
So no.
Move.
I'll dispel the back. Let's get this one.
There,
You
there's
have
two.
to like You have to get one. You have to get one.
Yeah, let's get one. Got it.
Sure.
I mean, nether.
Another.
Ritual
what?
Forge next.
Stay near together. That's fine. Don't cloak. Don't cloak. Don't cloak. Quick, quick, quick.
Go to Bob. Move.
I just get every fucking mechanic. Fuck this fucking game.
Yeah, not on series.
I am. I was.
That sucks.
It's okay.
I think close one.
One dispel. By shock. Give me.
Rupture.
A little more and brought no mercy.
You know, I would pass.
Let's just get my way now. And just make it over.
There's two.
Rupture.
You can get both.
Don't depend.
Move.
Rupture.
Don't take it. Take it.
I had to get these two at
Rupture.
least. Someone over here. Yeah. One dispel.
That was some blur. That's great.
Have suck.
Simply never happens. We gotta send something for him there. I mean, we have everything up.
Not really. I think it was a health thing.
You have silk, bro. You haven't used silk all the whole time.
I didn't have silk. Fuck off.
So true.
Move.
Oh, not again.
Grab the weapon.
This is
I got nothing.
normal second pull for us.
Okie dokie.
I do need like one crab, but then you just like, if you don't seem to get a crab, throw something at it or something.
There's tires nearby. I can.
It's fine. I'm starting from the other side like normal.
Shock needs to range kick the far one.
I think I can pull it. I did.
Kick.
Ritual Forge next.
Kick.
Nova.
Kick.
Disrupting Shell. Cap Totem. Misery. Blinding Light.
We don't have lust.
Rupture.
I don't know.
Yeah, I think so. Can we do a small one? 1 minute.
Everything here.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Or- I mean, it's not bad. Good.
Kick.
6. Oh, I can't.
It's,
I got
Blind.
it. I got it.
I can stun.
They have shaman knockers.
Thunderstorm.
You missed
Huh?
kick,
Cap
Get
totem.
another.
Kicks, kicks, kicks.
I'm good.
Nova.
We have no
Rupture.
stops here. Can he hit? Is he dead though?
There's
He's dead.
bro, you need blade.
kick,
I don't know. This is really weird. Like, I can't send flag here. I won't have it for the boss.
Thunderstorm.
You don't, man.
Yeah.
This
I
is
have
to get
18.
one.
I have 18 nether, so what's gonna do, bro?
kick,
The nether.
Rupture.
It's not even missed.
Our last timing is better, right? Pretty sure it was like a minute last time. So. The nether wizard.
We have to fold big model, but I need track back. It's like 3 seconds.
Give him,
Yeah, yeah.
give him space. Give him space. Let him get
Yeah,
a little bit of time.
Back, but
Ritual Forge next.
No way.
Sorry, I'm ramping.
Me too. I'm rapping.
kick,
Kicks.
Rupture.
Let's start.
Disrupting
I'm
shout.
sorry. It's just like nowhere near me. So
Kill your hobby.
I got it, didn't I?
No, we have to beg you.
I saw it. Like I just had to run. I was up. Look star.
we'll do wolves here. Persons.
Look star. Now,
Rupture.
just to group them up. So, Marks. This is the hardest. This is the hardest one, by the way, because we don't have any CDs for this.
kick,
Thanks.
Too late.
move,
Barrier an 8.
Too late.
Pick. Try to finish these. Good timing though, actually.
Yeah. I had save series for the arts.
You want darkness?
I'm putting a new star down. See where it is? I can't ping it, but go now.
Rupture.
Kicks? Or I'm sorry, marks.
move, kick,
I have nether, but I need to wait like 5 seconds. Kicks? One's unmarked, by the way. Okay, sending
Ritual
now.
Forge
We're gonna have
next.
stack here in a second, dude.
Just paying it.
Kick.
Just ask for it. It's free. Oh, well, maybe not during the intermission. Just kill the boss.
Just kill the boss.
Rupture.
4 minutes? I'll take it, right? Was ours the last time 4 minute 30? 4 minute 50?
I'll do the box.
I have low thread here.
I
You should tag something and keep your brand.
Oh, that's true. That's true.
Sprite me.
we need to make sure we don't oversend on this pack, by the way. Are you gonna send meta or not?
Kick.
I'm gonna send my 2 minutes.
Kick.
You don't have nether, no? I'll send my meta
Okay.
with that.
Shockwave. Next will be Shamana.
Kick. Kick.
Rupture.
Can't push.
Blind.
It went off.
He's immune.
Blinding
You have to
light.
dodge here. You have to dodge here.
Thunderstorm.
Dodging?
Nova.
Why he immune already?
It's fine. I blinded already, but
Shockwave.
Yeah, I don't want you to use AoE.
we take a longer pack here, but the next pack would be safer. It's like slightly long. It's like a minute long, but me not sitting here will ensure that we don't get fucking killed on this this next pull.
Nice shot.
I got box. Remember, I can't call CC because I'm gonna go big here, but you wanna mark a kick, bro? You gotta come over here, Unc.
No, we can free them. Like that.
Ritual Forge next. Shockwave.
Just get out of
Thunderstorm.
Kick.
Disrupting shout. Cap totem.
Hold my blind. I don't have it actually.
have landing like 1 minute.
Nova.
Kick.
Misery.
Landing like next. 1, 2.
Blinding light. Shockwave.
Crabs are gonna explode too. It's okay.
Kick.
Sure. Let's play. I will distract.
Wait.
Uh,
Why is there no box?
play this
Oh, we
one.
didn't do this one.
Oh wait,
Go around, go around, go around.
I can shroud.
Oh, okay.
He's gonna go get it.
You can start.
Distract with daggers, distract daggers.
I'll distract the left ones.
Oh, do the other one? A loss?
Yeah.
You gotta go wide, Kumi. Okay.
He's got that one. Okay.
You have to tag him now, yeah. Let's watch the kicks here.
Back up star.
Kick.
That's good.
Fine. Hunk can back up one of them too.
Can you back up for the
Just move to the boss. Just move to the boss.
Shockwave.
Move to the boss.
Kick.
Move me.
This one's gonna be wolves. Okay. Really close.
Okay, let's clear early. I'm gonna cloak here. Moving left.
I'm stunning.
Nova.
Misery.
Rupture.
And
Move
Nice
left. Move
call.
left.
I need to
Kick.
kick mine down. Oh,
Mine's far. Moving.
You need the daggers?
They're on the way back. We can wait one iteration if you want.
No way.
This is my violent fame.
Distract.
I can distract him.
Dark.
Rupture.
Man,
They're distracted,
Dark
by the way.
didn't cover anything for me.
I don't think any of them worked.
Marks. always moving left. Kicks. I get an evasion here if you want. Unless you're gonna play
Kick.
something else. Okay, I'll evasion.
It's fine. Drink it.
Oh, I over something.
Shockwave.
Oh, I need to cover on purple.
Blind. Disrupting shout.
Move.
Ritual Forge next.
Kick.
I already sent him in by
Stuns. Moving.
Thunderstorm.
Watch through.
Moving.
Kick.
Kick.
Sounds close.
Are we lasting in 5 seconds?
Yes.
I have meta.
We should lust. In 5 seconds. Are we ready?
No.
Yeah, lust.
Dodging this way next time, and I'm going crabs after. I need to crabs up now. I need to move to the right.
Okay, go right then. Moving right, guys.
Are we not waiting for
Rupture.
the front end?
Frontal in 2.
Yes, after the frontal, we're moving right. We did a Divine Storm too, please.
Okay.
This is my cloak on this one. Yep. You want 3?
Ah, he did.
Alright, cloak, don't worry.
Big,
Misery.
Big AoE.
Dropping to crabs, I guess.
Slender takes no fucking damage. What's this about?
My leads and my
He's,
Rupture.
yeah, he's good versus non-one-shots.
Crazy, actually.
We're shrouding to the corner.
okay.
So, like, running all the way through and then throw it off.
You need a sip?
Let's do yeah,
Quick sipper when we get down there. Let me know when you're ready, and I'll shrug.
He's Pico.
Recoup. Stone Shroud.
You need to go first, yep. We're shrouding. I don't have shroud. I used it. Okay.
Kick.
Far away.
Oh, we just run.
Just run. He has aggro, just run.
We pick
Kick.
Okay.
What?
What?
Resin. Frontal, bro. What do you mean? What?
I went behind him.
Don't take.
First kicks?
Thunderstorm.
You got a
Kick.
shockwave.
Cap totem.
We have to res again? Okay. Okay. Let's recover.
Disrupting shout.
Okay, we shot it, we'll kick out of it. It'll be me first. I don't have it.
Kick.
Kill the casters. Kill the casters.
Misery. Blinding light.
No star.
Thunderstorm.
Kick.
Here. First kicks? No, don't have. Do shockwave next.
Punch.
No star. Skull. Everyone on skull.
Shockwave.
Kick.
Cap totem.
No kicks. Let's do another knock.
Thunderstorm.
Do you want these guys?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, okay.
Kick.
You're on diamond, so
Yeah, but no one was kicking. So let's get him up.
nobody had kicks. I think
Nova.
it don't matter.
It's double
You
reflection.
counted on these guys?
Wait, you got to,
Watch right, watch right.
Can you wait?
You're in trouble. You're in trouble.
You just wait, yeah.
Yeah, go.
Stabilize, and then we have kicks up, but let them reflect first.
Let me get reflect off.
Let me get the reflect up, okay?
Don't go up.
Kick.
There it is, reflect, and then first kicks.
Kick.
Ritual
kicks
Forge
now?
next.
Taking kicks now.
Kick.
Shockwave. You have shout?
Good idea, Shao.
Shockwave.
Shout.
Disrupting shout.
First six, yeah.
Yep.
I will blinding later next.
Oh.
contest.
Oh, okay.
Kick.
First kicks. Second kicks.
Second kick.
Kick.
Double shot. Second kick.
Yep. Oh.
Blinding light.
Red blind next.
Thunderstorm. Cap totem. Blind. Nova. Misery.
I'm going to shrink it. And then we can go. So do it out of combat though.
We're good.
Yeah.
Fine.
I'm slow, watch out. No, I'm not.
Recoup after this circle. Okay. I literally didn't even take damage, bro. What the fuck?
I'll darkness first.
I'm good. Yep. Yep.
Do you want a darkness rally first?
Yeah, we can rally.
I have no immune to the first one.
Me neither.
Alright.
Maybe not yet. Just
Me down the end. I'll have it for the next one though.
just big respect. Can I swing around?
We have lost too. We'll have it eventually, I mean.
Rupture.
You're gonna take a.
Pretty nice blind.
I'm freaking. I'll try and get this one. Oh!
It's kind of sick. I get
I can't immune. I can't immune. No, I'll waste it. I'll use evasion though. Okay.
Rupture.
My thing's bugged, bro.
Why?
No, it's bugged. Yeah.
This really sucks. Right though. It's okay. I saved my cloak. I didn't want to immune it and not get value. So
Get in.
I'm not. I don't think I'm gonna get it though. This one. Because I just
If
got
it's
it.
me, I know how to defend it. Oh no,
I have nothing, by the way.
You have to probably use. I got it. I got it. Stay out here.
Yeah.
That's
That's fucking so.
Ritual Forge next. Rupture.
I
You
won't
have a
have
low yet?
for this one. No,
This is not
5
it.
seconds.
If I get any side.
We don't have rally or darkness, so probably my vial. Okay. We probably won't even get to the last, to be honest.
Back. We have bubble and Kumi.
How many
Yeah,
good?
we should immune. Yeah, we should immune.
I'll try. Just try.
I think he'll get it.
It's random.
Yeah,
Good,
Yep.
perfect.
that's good.
Nice. And I fucked up, you can get it twice in a row.
Rupture.
It's kind of good in that situation.
I'll go left.
We have. Stand in.
So,
Oh, I got it, don't worry. I got it first.
oh, evasion. Don't worry. Oh, vial too. I literally pressed every button. I need to save one thing here.
Darkness.
Ritual Forge next. Rupture.
I might need help. I'm okay.
Say 2 bit. Oh, shit.
I have it. I mean, come. I got it.
Nice. Go.
Am I gonna get lost?
Skin them.
Ritual Forge next.
You're doing the one.
The tank is gonna die here.